Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change ProtonMail password. To change your ProtonMail password, follow these detailed steps. First, open your web browser and go to ProtonMail. Enter a username and correct password to log in. Once logged in, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Proton homepage. In the settings menu, go ahead and click on all settings. And that's going to walk you right into the settings window. In the settings window, go ahead and look at the left navigation menu or the left navigation panel, which will be displayed shortly. In the left navigation panel, go ahead and select account and password. So now you have upgrade plan, recovery, account and password, language and time, appearance, security and privacy, import via easy switch. Click on account and password. In the account and password section, go ahead and see the option to change password. Username, display name, password, click change password. Now once you click on change password, a prompt will appear asking you to enter your current password and new password. Type your current password in the first field. Enter your desired new password in the second field. Re-enter the new password in the third field to confirm it. After entering the required information, click the Save Changes button. Then ProtonMail will prompt you to verify the password change. You may be asked to re-enter your current password again for security purposes. Once the change is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. After changing your password, you'll be logged out of your ProtonMail account. Log in again using your new password. You have now successfully changed your ProtonMail. Be sure to store your new password securely so you won't forget it again. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.